So here at Open Study College, we have a range of beauty courses, everything ranging from your basic waxing to eyebrow tinting and shaping to eyelash extensions or maybe your facials. There's a huge range of courses for you, so you can check them out. And as I said, they cover everything from your basics to your slightly more advanced. But with all of the beauty courses, you will cover your basic client consultation. So you'll learn how to deal with your client, how to prep them, health and safety, sterilization, sanitization, those kind of things, and real client care. So how to deal with your client throughout the treatment, but also after the treatment. So correct aftercare. How do you go about giving that aftercare advice? And then ways in which you can promote getting your clients in for further treatments and rebooking. So there's so much to learn from our beauty courses. You can do two options. You can either purchase the course on its own, and maybe you have products at home or you want to purchase your kits elsewhere, then that's absolutely fine. Or you can purchase the course and kit directly from us, which we will then provide you with everything that you need to complete your course and upload all of your evidence. I've specifically put these courses and kits together so I know that you're going to have everything that you need within that one kit. And it's a really simple and effective way of learning by purchasing the course and kit together. So for example, when you're completing our nail courses, you'll have a practice hand like so, like the one I've got in front of me, where you can practice on, but also complete all of your practical evidence on and upload your pictures for. So if you're struggling with models or you don't have people around you that will allow you to work on them when you're practicing, then this is your option. So remember, it's course on its own or course and kit together. Two different options. So this is something new for you. So maybe you want to learn at home and you want to complete the online side, but you just want that extra support, that feeling of having a tutor in front of you, guiding you step by step, then the virtual courses are perfect for you. This allows you to have access to a 2-hour virtual course with myself, which I will go through problem solving, take you step by step through your procedures. We can talk through any problems that you may be having, and again, guide you through that learning experience. So that's our virtual courses that is combined with the online side, just giving you that extra option of having that tutor support.